Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down. Then choose Additional Settings. Now you need to choose Languages and Input, Manage Keywords, and Revert. Finally, tap on Text Correction over here and select this switcher next to Autocorrection. As you can see, after that, switcher is gray. That means that autocorrection is off, but you can always turn it on by clicking on the same switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!